Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making Ofe Onugbu, also known as bitter leaf soup, so keep watching if you want to see how I made this. For my choice of proteins for this recipe, I'm using beef. I will introduce other proteins as we go on, and I will season with seasoning cubes, scotch bonnet pepper and salt. I will stay to combine and allow it to steam cook for 10 to 12 minutes. For my thickener, I'm using fresh cocoyam. I have already washed and added water. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook until soft. Next, I'll check on the meat and add other proteins: pre-cooked cow foot, dry catfish, stockfish, and shake, as well as the stock. I will add more water, cover and allow it to cook. At this time, I will add ogiribo, grounded oziza seed, Cameroon pepper, crayfish, palm oil, and my blended cocoyam. I will stir to combine, cover and allow it to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, I check on the soup and the consistency is just perfect. Next, I will add my grilled fish, seasoning cubes, and bitter leaf. I will stir to combine, cover and allow it to cook for 6 to 8 minutes. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. At this time, the soup is almost ready. Next, I will finish it up with more crayfish. Stay to combine and we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.